Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hazwan bin Mat Noor. I'm from BAVM. So my topic is low-cost carrier versus full service carrier in the aircraft operation process, aircraft selection process. Okay, first of all, low-cost carrier is also known as no-frill and discount or budget carrier or airlines. Is an airline without most of the traditional service provided in the fare, resulting in the lower fare and fewer comforts. Make up for revenue loss and decrease the price. They may charge the food, beverage, and the baggage, and also the priority of boarding. While full service carrier is offer in-flight entertainment, sharing baggage, meal, and the comfort such as a blanket and pillow. For low-cost carrier aircraft selection, they only focus on one fleet of aircraft. By the time is A320, for example, AirAsia. AirAsia just only focus on A320, and the benefit of just focusing on one fleet of aircraft is the first one, cabin and ground crew will only have to be trained to work on one type of aircraft only, and also benefit to maintenance as the spare part and mechanic will only be dedicated to one type of aircraft. Meanwhile, for full service carrier, they focus on more fleet of aircraft. For example, Malaysia Airlines have A330, A350, A380, and also B737. So, for full service carrier, it must have a lot of ground and cabin crew for their running the operation. Okay. Why low-cost carriers only focus on one type of aircraft? This is because they tend to operate short-haul flight. It means that aircraft is a narrow body, while full service carrier mainly fly long haul between have their short haul subsidiaries, and also full service carrier almost all full service carrier is a national flight. So for the financial, you can see that the low cost carrier is a less cost compared to the full service carrier, because for the operation side, the low cost carrier only have a few cabin and the ground crew to operate for the one type of aircraft compared to the full service carrier, because they need more workers because they have more types of aircraft. So we can see that the full service carrier you must have maintenance and mechanics for the different types of aircraft. Okay, and also full service carrier have a high fuel cost compared to the low cost carrier because of there are many types of the aircraft compared to Asia. So in the conclusion, what separates them is how the airline is able to generate revenue, target customer, product offering, and their value-adding service. Thank you. That's all from me.